We just stopped there. We see Kenny G there, you know, in the street. What's the name of that block? Buffet State.
Outside there, potato, can't join there.
You're done already. Super hot.
Oh, we're outside?
We outside, yes.
Two corner of.
Yeah. Let's go myself. Yeah, 758. That's the vibe, yeah. So guys, welcome back to my channel. You know, today's day what in Dominica? What day? Today is day, I don't know, in Dominica. We're still here. I guess I need to try today, let me see. So y'all done know already, we at Emerald. Yo, not less outside. Big up, big up, big up. We outside. Yeah, man. I come to the pool today there. Yeah, man. Every time. Oh, yes. Emerald pool, guys. As if my thing a little blurry. Let me check on my camera there. But that is the vibe today, guys. Guys, yes. We have a little entertainment going on there. They're playing the instruments. Let me tell you, you can drop a little tip. I'll drop something for them, but it's easy because I don't have US. But we're outside. They look beautiful, eh? They're doing a little thing. You know. But they have a beautiful information officer. Big up yourself. Good day. You giving us a little. Yes, I. So guys, we're taking a little tour in the place. You know, everybody looking. Hey, let me tell you, happy. Oh, one thing y'all big on that. Hey.
So this is where you are,
Okay.
and then you walk down the trail. You go up. When you finish baby there,
Oh, okay.
make the loop.
Okay. So guys, let me tell you all. I'm showing y'all everywhere, all the vibes, everything. You know, y'all there too. Again. Yes, guys, and that's where we're heading. You know. And you know all of the sites, they have almost the same design. Like the little museum and what's the name of the crab? Look it. Native freshwater crab. Seaweed. Seaweed they call it natty and we calling it back. Seaweed, agouti. Techien.
No, without be there. You may see water, but yeah, it's cold. So no.
I think you're a snake.
No.
But you see a lot of.
Yeah.
I saw one like that the other day.
Yeah, we
The agouti. We want to see one to the agouti.
I'll take it one.
You take it twice.
Awesome.
I eat it already. Yeah. They said they would make me eat a lizard at Waterfall. Okay, so guys, just stay tuned. Okay, officer, big up. We outside.
You go down for free. You don't have to pay the money.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, so just enjoy it. And
Yes. So guys, y'all heard that.
Have a heel.
Huh?
I just have a heel.
What?
Yes, you have a heel there, yes, sir.
Hey, Koshi, I'm Koshi, I'm Negmawo. Koshi Negmawo.
The maroons is here, the maroons.
Yes, you happy now? Okay. So guys, just stay tuned. I see you, Reggie.
Why you come for meet you? Abel, what? Yeah! Abel, that's your tag. I see it, I good.
Everything, Papa, you bring up people, they enjoy. Okay.
Yes, you too.
Gemini.
Yes, Gemini. One Gemini, never two.
Never two.
Yes.
You said never two.
Yes, bro, come in.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
guys, big up my Dominican people one time, guys. You know, my TikTok family, firm and strong, always supporting, always, you know. Up to last night, he said, Jesus have to come down, he have to see me. He have to see me. And we saw each other, you know. Big up the same speed. Big up the tourism officer front line, you know, one time.
For making us enter for free.
And making us enter for free. Guys, I appreciate that, you know, and that's what I'm talking about. But, you know, I see people talking about diplomatic passport. But guys, I need that message. Check on me. Yeah, check on me. 758, check on me. Yeah, we outside. What you?
I know all the trails, like government spending good money and them things there. All of them are real.
Yeah, they organize.
Not no muddy trail.
No, it's good. Guys, let me tell you, like, always enjoy being in Dominica. It's always a vibe. So let me just touch nothing too much before my face start cracking. You know the trail for spanny. It's just like
Same
that.
design, yeah.
Same design.
Expose
Yes, guys. Yeah. We at the viewing point, guys. We at the top. I get wet, see? I get wet. Yeah. Cause she every time he's saying he's not. Only in warm water you want to bathe. Magic. Guys, you have to do the thing. You have to bathe in the cold water, babe.
All the water is as clear as good.
Yeah. This guy's more steps. Guys, let me tell you, I notice already, we're on a good note. The little sun is good. Because I know this water is cold. I know that people push my feet in it, but there's many steps. But I sweat. So I think I'll stand up in the sun a little bit. You know, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up, big up. You know, so I'm going to show you all the vibe there. What she say, you're not bathing. I go walk all them steps and not bathe. That making no sense. I have to bathe for everybody in St. Lucia and Dominica and the rest of the Caribbean and the whole world. You know, let me show you all guys. Guys, catch me. Yes, guys. I'm going in the water for you guys. Okay? I'm going for you guys. This is my first time.
I even got 2 little ones over there.
Beg your pardon? Oh, okay, okay. Yes. And the other side kind of shallow. Yes, guys. So this is it. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, man.
7, always tuning.
Yeah, man. Someday I'll come to your bike festival, man. You know?
Nice.
Yeah.
This was nice.
Yeah, man. I'll come, man. Big up DA Massive there, guys. Yeah, check the boys on the rock there. Yes, guys. Oh, yes, I'm going in. Oh, yes. Let's see the pressure mistake. I'm going in. I know it's cold. It's cold. But guys, let me tell you, y'all should come and experience it. First time I'm muchos. Vini here, Vini welcome here. Bagay Café. Big up my people from Guadeloupe, Martinique, you know. You don't know. We are outside. You know, boy. Hi, hi, Captain. I can hear you. Hi, hi, Captain. What? Hey! Saivolaji. It's cold, Levi. And that one not even cold, like funny and it's still good. It's still good.
We'll be back there.
Yeah. It's everywhere. See what they're calling it, see? We have this crab in St. Lucia also, guys. Hey, one of my people there, same spin. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Relax, we're outside.
Yeah.
You from DA?
I'm from here, I live in the US.
Oh, okay, okay, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, mister, I see why I tell you, come and check out the vibe on your, by yourself. Come and see the place. You know. Yeah, man. The place nice, eh? How you mean?
Yeah.
But this one is better than spanny. Like it's not cold as spanny. Yeah. That one have a little sun. I guess that we have a little sun around here. But guys, let me tell you, you know, y'all remember the cold? As soon as you get in the water, it's not cold as it is refreshing. Now, so like now there it's refreshing. It's refreshing. What's real? Hey, let me tell you, you got much, you got candy, you know, you got punches, you got bikers and you got my queen all the time, you got the whole of Dominica, send good stuff, I know I'm watching, you got everybody in diaspora in the whole world, not left to the world, you got two bikers. Well, what's up? Yes, guys. So Koshi went in the water. Look, he hiding. Yeah, Koshi, tell us how the water stayed there.
Water nice.
Yeah, the water nice. Yeah, man. 7580 outside, yeah? Yeah, man, we in Dominica. Yeah. How the water stay? How the water stay there? Guys, let me tell you, hey, where am I going? I'm enjoying the water as usual. Y'all know I'm a water baby. For me, as soon as I get in this water, it just gets refreshing. You know, I enjoy doing this. I'm enjoying. I'm enjoying. You'll see. You'll see. When I do all the places in Dominica, I will always do it over and over and over. You know, after now, after what we're doing there, like after Emerald Pool, I know where I go in it, you know. But big up all the people watching. You know, I always want to big you all up. Hot spring? Which one? Of course. I want to take him there at school. Yeah, so we have Jamali on board. Big up Jamali is back home safe. And right now, Vegas, so we're going, yeah, we're going to school after. We're going to go to school today, you know. Yeah, man. We went to the escape. It was late, but then we could still do the escape and school. Small things, because big up the escape. Now you could take on Jaco. So guys, let me tell you all, I enjoy the water right now. I'm gonna stand in the sun a little, you know. Moi enjoy gloire. Give me dessert. Guys, yeah, what's your boys? Eat chicken. You have to stand in the sun. As we walk up, we're sweating again, you know. The work we have to do there?
Yeah, that's why I'm more familiar with it.
Yeah. So guys, Emerald Pool was worth it. I enjoyed, yeah. So yeah, sun, unlike the other places, the sun don't shine in these places, you know. Watch them. So guys, next spot, y'all don't know how we walk already. We outside, anything. Mass is mass, class is class. It's Vegas. Hey, everything is proper. My fans and them, they live into, you know. Big up. Yeah, man. Walking time, guys. Just stay tuned. Guys, so we're going on the other side. You know, right now I get to sightseeing. We're walking through. You could hear the birds, guys. So I don't want to talk too much. The vibe is high. Yes, guys. Woo. A nice little walk, eh? Imagine I'm not even sweating because more in the frost from Roseau. But we come to the viewing point, guys. Emerald Pool. That is the viewing point there. Yeah, man, quiet. We feel refreshed at the same time.
The river in the background.
Yeah, guys, if you listen carefully, you'll hear the river roaring.
See, quiet.
The view, sweetie. So guys, right now we're exiting. Hey, oh, Mavle Marshall call me see. We have a trail there. With National Trail. Tell us in the comments, guys. Yeah. Way to Kubuli. Yes, guys, exit routing. Y'all don't know already, just stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment. Let me tell y'all, tell a friend to tell a friend. We outside. Guys, and there's a next view, Atlantic view. Yeah. You could see in a village there.
Yeah, I seen
a village, yeah.
Oh, on the next side that is.
Look, show us.
Take a look, guys, at what it is. One that said you will see. Move your hands. That's shime. That's shime. It's smooth, but our thing
Yeah,
rough.
yeah, that what I
Yeah.
want to say.
Yeah. I'll see when already and I'll pick it from to make sure it's full bottle as they use. Right. So
Yeah.
under have the same rough thing we just have.
Just
But
have
a
nicer shade.
nicer shade on the outside. The whole tree that take already, what's that?
That
Whole
that
tree.
more
Whole
of
tree.
you know, that killing
Killing the tree. Whole tree. Yeah, it's that shit.
Poor boy. Yeah. A fact that fact so cushy. What that's in the all in my bum. What?
Now just spray people back.
This guy's. What? Exit. Hey! Guys, you all saw it? You all saw that? Whoa, let me watch that back on my camera, boy. Yes, guys, there's vendors out here too, you know. You could get your souvenirs, you know, everything. Yes. My lady, we live in, we enjoyed, you know.
You enjoyed it?
Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes. We did.
So anyway, you did check out the place?
Yes, darling. Thanks again for everything. Yes, I. So, guys, let me tell you all. Exploration time. They say there's another waterfall, so we're going up. Yeah? Yes, guys. I was feeling my feet there. Y'all know how we rock already. So I have to hold that rope. And it's joint up there. You see Koshi ready and going. So y'all know already. Just stay tuned.
Exploration time.
Just like this. Very easy. Everywhere so moist. So we walk in the trail. So you know we have to put the phone away so we could focus. Y'all see the trail? Y'all see the vibe? Just stay tuned. Make sure you like the video. Share, comment, let's say, support the vibe. Because you'll see, Magica can breathe for. Whoa,
Well, I can't wait, boy.
my pocket away, my top coat.
Oh my god.
Yes. Yes, now. Alright. Okay, I'm going to go.
Go for your phone.
Huh?
The fire next time will not come. I base my fire.
The motor is crystal clear. Come on, you have to turn and hold the rope.
Yeah.
But you're turning it and you're saying, yeah, you have to turn.
My sister.
What's she dropping the rope?
Hold a stick. Yeah. I'm doing this, guys. Yeah. Guys, let me tell you. Bad
Yes.
fellas making it happen. But you?
Make sure you edit that first. Make sure you edit that. I don't know if you having that in my ear.
Oh, okay. Wow. Wow. What about baby? Whoa.
Spanny number 2.
Spanny number 2. Boy, them stones, they'll get full, eh?
And go off it.
Ah, I made it, guys. Spanny number 2. You know, guys, let me tell you. That was a different style. Almost like a different kind of bike. Yes, I want you to know.
The water is just as cold.
Oh,
Woo! The water is just as cold.
the water cold like this one there. It's a cold like this one.
After halfway to glue it. After I left glue it.
Well, shut up a minute for it. Yeah. As we just come, we don't get. But what? Bad fellas. Guys, what's the size of that tree, man? That wasn't a small tree, yeah? But we don't even know if that is the root side
No, it'll be root side up there.
on top there. What the size of the tree? But guys, this is spanny number 2. It's a little more difficult to get to, and the stones are very slippery here.
Boy.
So if you ever get to come over here, you have to be very. I know it's not everybody that would want to come when they see the ropes and all of that. But you all know I'm doing these adventures for all of us, you know. So I'm experiencing for everybody. But as you'll sit down on the couch there, just take the remote and like the video, okay? And then watch the ads when it comes. So we're going back to that. Hey guys, we at, what's the name of here?
The highway bar.
The highway bar. Let me tell you, we're gonna try something new. No, not something new, something with a different name. Because we would just say it's like a...
New rice provision, all of them, you got on whatever.
Okay.
That all it is, you're seeing is rice provision, that shit.
Okay, yeah, that's a new thing. Alright guys. Because she'll tell you what they say, What's the name that they say? Repeat it.
Sancoach.
Yes, saltfish sancoach. If you're from Dominica, I hope I pronounce it properly because I have to practice since that's my second home, you know. Saltfish sancoach. That's what we're gonna have. So guys, this is the saltfish sancoach. We have pilau,
That is
rice and peas. Okay. And provision. Yes, side. So this is it. I just adding a little pepper. You're going to taste and tell us how it is. Vinaigrette, how you shake it. Good. We never taste a saltfish that is saltfish, you know. It's good. So guys, let me tell you, it has coconut milk in it. But I'm enjoying it. The pay that 1 point. My girl's enjoying at the back there. Yeah, she just said it have coconut milk.
What's up?
Coconut milk. Magic on this, sir. That's where we at, guys. Yeah. We just stopped there. We see Kenny G there, you know, in the street. Yeah, we outside. Yeah. For the bike lovers, watch out. Bike's fresh. What's the name of that block? Buffet State. We begin up?
Boy.
Yes, guys. So the day has ended for us, you know. We're still in Roseau. Today was good. We brought Vegas out, you know, and see a few places, but we just didn't show you guys because we have been there like all the time, like cruise, and we brought him to Trafalgar, and we were there recently, so we didn't bother to vlog that again. But right now I'm on the bayfront eating some ice cream, you know, with Koshi, because Koshi one time, and the day was good, like good. You know, the roads are not 100, you know, because they're taking it up, you know, they are going on all about the place. But then maybe when we return the next time, it's gonna be, but I'm here, I'm still here, Dominica, okay, and for St. Lucia, we're not going home, not yet, but big up y'all still. Friday, catch me in town. Friday, I'm gonna be in town very early because I want to see everything that's going on. Everybody in their work duets, you know. Everything. Tooth bagger, y'all done already. Out of the potato.